Are you having problems keeping money in your bank account? Almost to the point where you have money come in, but just as quick as it comes in, it quickly just goes out. So we're gonna talk about that all and so much more, and how to keep it and keep it flowing to you in this video. Here we go. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified when we post a brand new video. Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vibrational Wealth, and I want to come to you today because I know that this is a big topic that is very, very known in the Law of Attraction niche. And if you guys are actually new to my channel, this is actually a Law of Attraction channel where we talk about manifesting more money, how to keep it, and how to have it magically come to you. So we're going to be doing a strategy called VFT. This is vibrational frequency tapping. And what we want to do is we're going to be tapping on keeping money and being able to have more of it come to us. You know, so many times these days, and I've had many clients come to me and they're like, man, I get like a big sum of money. Like one of our clients said they got $900 and like in a week's time it was just all gone. And the thing is that you have to understand something, that when you are actually having these beliefs pop up like, oh my God, it's like every time I get money, it just like goes away. You're actually doing something at a subconscious level where you're actually almost feeling undeserving, unworthy. And so when you start feeling these different emotions that come up for you that were taught to you by your peers, your friends, your some people had broke friends in their pasts, broke friends, ancestors, things like that. This stuff all pops up, and we need to do this process of eliminating it out of our energy centers. And the way we do that, again, is our vibrational frequency tapping. So the way we do that is we're going to start tapping on the side of the hand to set up this entire process. And then after we set it up, we're going to go ahead and tap on certain meridian points. And VFT is also known as emotional acupuncture. So we have the acupuncture points like the eyebrow right here, the side of the eye, the under the nose, the under the chin, the collarbone like right underneath where the soft point is, and then the under the arm right here, or like right directly underneath your armpit right here. And then right on the top of the head where your crown is, see like right here, you want to tap that. Now this is going to be seem very strange, and you're gonna feel a lot of different emotions. Like sometimes you may cry, sometimes you may burp, sometimes you may be like yawning a lot. And the thing is, these are all processes of releasing, and these are all releasing out of you. So let's go and tap on the side of the hand, and I want you to repeat after me each affirmation every time I say the phrase, and you're going to say it right after me. Okay? So, even though I have trouble keeping money in my bank account, I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Even though money is so hard to keep in my bank account, I'm always pushing it away. I don't know why I'm doing that, but I am. And even though I have been doing that, I deeply and completely love, forgive, and honor myself anyways. And all those people from my past who have told me that, hey, you know, you don't deserve money, you're not worthy of money, I choose to release them now and the energy of them out of my body, mind, heart, soul, and spirit. And even though they told me that you're not worthy, even though they told me that you're not deserving, even though they told me all of these lies, I deeply and completely love, forgive, and honor myself anyways. So let's go and start tapping on the eyebrow point. So eyebrow, I can't keep money in my bank account. Side of the eye, I can't keep money in my bank account. I can't keep money in my bank account. Every time I receive money, it just goes away. And then I struggle to get it back. I don't want to do that anymore. I don't want to earn a big sum of money and all of a sudden, within like a week's time, it's all gone. I want to be able to earn money, and I want to be able to magically keep it, And also be open and willing to easily receive more. But there's something inside of me that doesn't feel I deserve more money. Something inside of me that's been telling me I'm not worthy of money. And I'm not sure what that is. It's something that's dug into my subconscious mind. It could have been from one of my ancestors. It could have been from my parents. It could have been from friends from my childhood. Whatever it is, I need to release this. Because the thing is that I am open to attracting more money. I'm open to attracting it with ease. And not only am I open to attracting it, I'm also open to keeping it. Because as one of my great mentors have ever told me, it's not about how much money you make, it's how much you can keep. And I'm choosing to believe that. Because the money I make can be used for investments. The money I make can be used to increase my traffic towards my websites. And every time I use this money for investments, for traffic, for Facebook ads, this means I'm putting money in a direction that's going to help me grow even more. I'm not going to spend it on Gucci purses for my wife. I'm not going to spend it on giant mansions. I'm not going to spend it foolishly on nice cars. Instead, I'm going to make sure that I grow my money to a point where it won't matter if I spend money here or there. Because I know that the money that I made is out there increasing my money. Because I'm using my money in a smart way. I'm using my money to increase my life. And any money I have extra outside of my goal can be used for whatever I want. So I'm choosing to release this belief that I can't keep money in my bank account. I'm releasing this out of my body. I'm releasing this out of my mind. I'm releasing this out of my heart. I'm releasing this out of my soul. I'm releasing this out of my spirit. I'm releasing this out of the trillions and trillions of all of my cells. I release it out of my inner child. I release it out of my higher self. I release it out of my teenage self. Releasing it now out of everything of my body, mind, heart, soul, and spirit, unconscious mind, subconscious mind, and conscious mind. And now I'm open to keeping even more money and open to magically receive even more money with ease. Take a deep breath in. Hold it. And release. Take some time to figure out exactly what has been keeping you from keeping money in your life. Now, if you are on a scale of 1 to 10, so 1, you can't keep money in your life, or 10, you can absolutely keep money in your life. Find out where you are. And if you're still at a 1 where you just can't keep money in your life, then you probably need to redo this tapping all over again and keep doing it until you finally feel like you can keep money in your life. So that being said, this is Tom, and also make sure that you comment down below because we're going to be picking a winner. And by the way, we need to pick a winner from our last video. Here we go. And the winner of our giveaway for this video is Stacy Connor. Stacy, go ahead and leave us a message in our inbox, or you can also message us on Facebook. Our Facebook information is right below this video, and we're gonna send you a beautiful prize. It could be a guided meditation for earning more money. It could be a affirmation for earning more money. It could be one of our Ho'oponopono exercises that we can do, and all these tools are great prizes for you to earn more money and unblock yourself from earning more money. So that being said, again, comment down below and we will go ahead and select our next winner on our next video. If you thought this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe or follow us, share it with your friends, and hit the like button so we know how to make more videos like this. Also, if you want to join a community of manifestors just like you, we have created a secret society where we share with you daily tips and tricks on how to manifest wealth daily. Click the links below the video to join.